Hey there, RecTech family. I'm Chef Greg. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious roasted turkey. If you're curious how we cut up this turkey, check out the recipe on our channel on how to fabricate a turkey. We're going to season this turkey with two of our fantastic rubs. We're going to season the leg and thighs with our Ron's Kickin Espresso rub, which will bring a little heat to the table. And for the breast, we're going to use a little Heffer dust. And since the leg and thigh is going to need a little extra time on the smoker to get tender, we'll go ahead and get that cooking first. Now that we've got these leg and thighs seasoned up, we're going to cook them at 325 degrees to an internal of about 175 or 180 degrees. It should take about 90 minutes. So our leg and thighs had about a 30-minute head start, and these two pieces of meat should be done about the exact same time. So to make that rub stick, we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil over the top, and that'll act as a binder to have our seasoning stick. Today we'll be seasoning with the amazing Ben's Heffer dust. This stuff is fantastic. Salt, pepper, garlic. It's good on roasted potatoes as well. We'll be cooking this on the RT 590 Stampede. It's a fantastic mid-sized family grill. So this roasted turkey looks amazing. To recap, with the leg and thighs, we seasoned those with Ron's Kickin Espresso rub. We cooked that at 325 degrees for an hour and 3/4. And for the breast, we seasoned that with Heffer dust, and we cooked that right about 90 minutes. So the easiest way to slice this is to actually cut that breast off of the rib cage, and that way you can get nice, even slices. So again, if you look, you'll see kind of a darker area of that skin that's right where that breastplate is. So if you take your knife just to one side, cut right down that, and you can actually remove this breast in one lobe. Take a little slice over here. So we've gone and removed that breast in one piece, and now what we can do is we can slice that into beautiful pieces. So next time you're looking for an awesome recipe for roast turkey, definitely don't want to miss this one.